Hello my friends, welcome to my channel where I make Affinity fun and easy to learn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a sketch logo like this and transform it into a vector logo like this inside of Affinity, right? If this is what you want to learn, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe and share this video. Without having to say much, let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, I have the picture of my logo here, just here like this. So this is the sketch logo here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, first and foremost, I'm inside my Vector Studio, right? So you can have your own different studio customized, but I'm just in my Vector Studio that has my vector tools here, as you can see. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over to layers and I'm going to reduce the opacity to the barest minimum. I'm just going to reduce to the point where I can still see my sketch and I can still trace on it, right? So that's the essence. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my pen tool. Now selecting your pen tool is the first thing. Now to make life easy for you, make sure you come over here and you come over to settings and make sure this rubber band mode is selected, right? And every other thing here that is highlighted is also highlighted inside of your Affinity software, right? So when this is done and you've done this, the next thing we need to define is our stroke. So make sure you come over to your stroke panel and make sure you set this to a 2 points. You can use 1, but I have discovered that 1 is the safe place for me to stay at. So I'm just going to use 1 and I'm going to delete this and of course switch over to my layers. I'm going to delete this guy here and let's start working. So select my pen tool. And okay, I'm going to set it manually here. Click 1 and that's all I need to do. And make sure your stroke is set to black color and your fill is set to none. So select none for fill, and for your stroke make sure you set it to black color. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you the technique I use very often. So the first thing you need to do is I'm going to start from the outside here. Click here and when you see a point between these two parts here, you can see when I put this here, you can see on areas here, you can see that I have like an empty space here. So that's what we're going to be observing throughout inside of this, right? From here to here, you can see there's an empty part here. So click, don't worry about the curves, just keep clicking like this and let's continue with all of this. So you can zoom in to get perfection and areas like this, I'm going to click twice. Click here like this because you have a curve here. You can see there's a curve. Click. I'm just going to be getting this part here. I'm just going to put a point here. Not that it's much, but just put a point there. Put a point here. Put a point here also. Put a point here, put a point here, put a point here, put a point here, and put a point here. So you can see that we've just done a rough line points all over this part here. So the next part is converting this to curve points. So to do this, switch over to your node tool, select it. You can watch my last video where I explained the node tool. Now inside of your node tool, what we're going to do is we're just going to start with this first point. Click and of course you can see it has been converted to curve. Now on this part here we need to push out like this and easy peasy we have our curve, and on this part here push out. So most times you're going to be pushing out and most times you're going to bring it in. So on this part here we're pushing out just a little bit. On this part here we're pushing out. And I'm just going to do till I get my desired results. Now for most of you that don't know how to use the pen tool or you have issues working with the pen tool, now this is a very good move as to vectorize your logos and of course get the best out of your pen tool. You're welcome. Okay, so I'm just going to push this in. Push this in. Push this out, push this in also, push this in like this, and at the end of the day, for this part here, we don't need this one. So if you don't areas where you don't need a node, you can click on it and delete it. And I'm just going to bring this in so it's just one line. I don't have things broken all around. Areas like this, I just need one node. So delete this, and I'm just going to bring this in, and I have my shape well intact. So areas like this, what I want to do is I'm just going to bring this out just a little bit to make it smoother. And for this part, I'm just going to increase the stroke like this, and maybe just give it somewhere around here is good, 2.5. And let's move on. I'll click out and I'll go over to my pen tool again. So let's continue what we started. So I'm just going to trace these guys inside here like this, using the same technique, guys, using the same technique. I've noticed that my stroke has become bigger, so I just reuse it, right? Set it back to 1, and we're good to go again, right? Click, click, and finish up here. So I'm just going to do for all of them like this so I can speed up this process. So click this point here like this, click this point, and of course over here like this, click, and click. Fit here, and make sure you always join these lines together, right? So for this one here, click, and you have a point here. You should have another one here. You should have another one here, and you should have another one here, right? Easy peasy. So let's have this, have this, have this, put one here, and finish up here. And of course we have another one here. Click, 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 and of course click again to finish up. So let's go over to our pen tool or node tool, right? And let's transform this to curve path. So select, and let's put this in the areas where they're supposed to be, right? Bring this here. You can click on the control here to actually adjust this well. Adjust this well here like this. Pick this point here like this, and of course do the same thing to this guy here. For this one, click the node here and bring this downward here like this, and click this node here and adjust it well. For this part, we are obviously going to be taking it outside, right? So this is going to go out. I'm using the anchor point, and click this anchor point, right, and bring this inside here like this, and take this outside just like this to maintain balance. Now to control all these anchor points here, hold down the shift and click to adjust only this part alone. You can see it's just affecting this part alone, right? You can see click on this part here and hold shift and take this up. See, it's only affecting this part here. So that's how you can actually do this. So I'm just going to finish off here on this part also. Bringing this out, bringing this in here like this. Now at first it's not going to make sense, but when you finish at the end of the day, you're going to see that you've done the hard lifting by using this technique, right? So bring this in here like this, and bring this here, and also bring this here, right? So let's touch this also. We can move this so you have a good alignment. Move this also. You can take this outside. Following this should be slightly curved like this, and you're good to go, right? I'm going to do this to this part here. Make sure you click first, and you can now adjust it. You can also make the line thinner if you feel you need to, just reduce it here, and also bring this down. And with this part also, you can bring this down too. Right, click on the line. You can reduce it since this is smaller, so that we can adjust this properly. Take this in, take this inside, and also take this inside like this. With this one too, we can reduce this so that we can have this done well. So on this part here where you have sharp edges that's supposed to be curved, what you can do is select it and click here to smoothen it up like this. So what you need to do is just use this anchor point and get things done very easy. That's all you need to do. Click and click on smooth, and of course take this inside using the anchor points like this and bring this outside a bit. That's all you need to do. Click on this part here, and we need to get rid of this and just manually select, okay, Ctrl Z, select this part and bring it outside here like this. Click on this point here and just bring it inside like this, and that's all. Click on this part, make it smooth. Click on this part also and make it smooth. So what we need to do is bring this inside here like this, and take this outside. Take this outside, and we are good to go. Right, this have, make it smooth here, and we're good to go. So we have the smooth parts. We should make this part also smooth, right, while we take this outside a bit and bring this inside. That's all basically, right? So when you are done with everything, you can restore the stroke to, I'm going to select everything. Okay, so we missed one point. So I'm going to hold down Shift, select all the strokes like this, and I'm just going to increase this to this level so that we can see what we are doing, right? So I'm just going to leave it at this level. Okay, so it's remaining this part and this part. So for this, I'm just going to select my pen tool and of course leave it at 1 or 0.9 because this part is small. Straight line, and click and click. Use your node to bring this down and take this outside. Guys, don't stress. Very, very easy. Now for this, I'm going to follow the same pattern. Click here like this. Click here and click here. Click these points. Click here and finish up here. It's looking weird. All you just need to do is just click on your node tool and align this well. Right, that's all. That's basically all you need to do. Then click on this tool node and transform it to smooth like this. So you can now use this point to adjust this well. Use this point to adjust this well. Use this point to adjust this well. And you can see how easy this has been for us. Okay, so now that you have this done, what you need to do is, you can see in the layers panel, you have everything here selected. If I turn this off, this is what you have here. So you can select all of them. Or before you start selecting all of them, what you need to do is select these inner parts here like this. 1, 2, 3. It's 3 parts here. The 4th one, which is this. The 5th one here. Select all of these guys here and weld them together here like this. So it becomes one shape, right? So you can choose to remove the outline and give it a color. Just give it a color like this, right? Now before you do anything here, make sure you select this one inside here and select this and click on trim, right? So when you do that, this becomes the same shape, right? So we want to remove the outline and we want to give this a color here like this. right? So we've gotten this, so we can add this to these guys here and weld them together so they are just one like this. You can see we've created this part inside here like this, right? Even at this point, you can come and make your adjustments. You can add nodes here to adjust this. Yeah, so you can see how simple this is. You can adjust this just so your logo is, I can adjust this point here too, and I'm good to go, right? So with this, I am just going to fill this, remove the outline, and I'm going to fill it with a different color, probably this. I'm going to move it beneath this like this, and I'm going to fill this with a white color like this. You can see I have the inner color and I have the frame like this. So what I'm going to do with this selected here with the white, I'm just going to hold down shift, select this guy here, and I'm going to click on what? Subtract like this. And when I do that, guys, what I now have is, so let me now delete this. I can unlock this and delete this, and what I have is my logo like this. You can see how detailed this is for my sketch, and I can also modify this, right? I can modify various by adding, probably make this a green. I can make this a darker green like this, and click on G for gradients. I can make this, I can have something like this, and basically that's how you can convert your images. I'm just going to add a background to this. I'm just going to select this, select the rectangle and draw a rectangle here, right? I'm just going to go to the lighter region, click on G for gradient, and I'm going to draw like this. Make sure I'm at radial like this. This is going to be this color white, and I'm just going to extend like this, and this is going to be beneath this, and I have my logo ready. So I'm just going to make this smaller like this, and I am good to go, guys. All right, guys, if you learned something tangible from this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you share this video, like this video, share this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.